Hello fans, welcome to another interesting video. A client brought this Itel 5360 keypad phone. According to him, he said the phone is showing searching when you insert a SIM card. After a short conversation with him about the phone, I have to go ahead and disassemble the phone and see where the fault is from and how I can solve this problem. There are many things that can cause this kind of fault in a mobile phone. 1. Water damage. 2. Drop case. 3. Sometimes some components can be full or half shorted, or an open circuit as well. Do well to follow us, like and share this video. Let's know your thoughts in the comments. As a technician, whenever you are troubleshooting, always do physical inspection or eye scanning to know if there are components that are openly damaged. It's very important. After disassembling the phone, I noticed an open circuit on the GSM antenna point. The one at the right is the G&D, which is the ground, and the one on the left is the GSM antenna point. If you look closely, you will see that the line that runs from one of the resistors to the GSM point is broken. Let me go ahead to make a jumper to reconnect these two points. Hopefully, this will be the solution to this problem. Okay fans, I am done making the jumper. It looks okay. That was so fast and simple. Let me go ahead and test it. Wow, that's awesome. Fans, as you can see, this phone network is back and working perfectly now. Okay fans, let me reassemble the phone for the client. If you have stayed this long, that means you are a real fan. Do well to follow us, like, share and drop your thoughts in the comments.